Welcome to our exciting journey exploring garbage trucks. Today, we'll take a closer look at these fascinating vehicles and discover how they play a crucial role in keeping our cities clean. First up, let's head to New York City, where the iconic green garbage trucks roam the streets. With their distinct, powerful hydraulic arms, these trucks efficiently collect and transport tons of waste every day. It's a sight to behold, designed to minimize noise and emissions, ensuring a cleaner and quieter environment for everyone. Now, let's venture to Sydney, Australia, where the garbage trucks are known for their vibrant colors and unique features. From side-loading bins to automated collection systems, these trucks are at the forefront of and commitment ensure that our cities remain clean and livable. Thank you for joining us on this exciting adventure exploring garbage trucks from around the world. We hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into the fascinating world of waste management. Remember, every small effort counts in keeping our planet clean and sustainable.